Hi, I'm Jessica and I'll be singing It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. Hope you like it. Just a second. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I make it, and we'll keep you by my side. We'll keep you from walking out the door, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day will rain, 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 yeah.
Jessica, I know I was listening to you.
I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eyes. Ooh, if I were in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing. Saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Ooh, so little time to wash and change my mind. As for you, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that'll make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like my clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Yeah, every day rain, rain, rain. Ooh, oh, don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I could pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that'll make it right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, 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 Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe. Thank you.